Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market today. In this episode, we're diving into the Scotch box lock packing tape, renowned for its exceptional performance in securing packages with extreme grip. Scotch box lock packing tape stands out as a must-have for anyone serious about secure packaging. Designed by Scotch, a trusted name in adhesive solutions, this tape is engineered with a superior adhesive that bonds instantly to various surfaces, ensuring your boxes stay sealed, even under challenging conditions. Let's delve into what makes this product a standout choice. The tape boasts an advanced adhesive that grips firmly, preventing peeling or detachment. Suitable for all box types, including 100% recycled boxes, ensuring universal application. Each roll is designed to seal boxes with just one strip, resisting slivering, splitting, or tearing. Crystal clear for easy identification of package contents without compromising security. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best packing tape that combines reliability, ease of use, and durability, look no further than the Scotch box lock packing tape. Perfect for both personal and professional use, this tape ensures your packages arrive securely sealed every time. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on top-notch products like the Scotch box lock packing tape. Stay tuned for our next episode where we uncover more essential products for your everyday needs.